Scientists discovered that the liver produces a substance called glucocorticoid that regulates your emotions. So the organ that controls your feelings is your liver, not your heart, despite what you've been led to believe.
Listen to your liver when he's calling for you. Listen to your liver. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your liver before you tell him goodbye.
I know that diamonds need money for this art, that's not the shape of my liver. That's not the shape of my liver. So don't go breaking my liver.
I won't go breaking your liver.
Scientists have discovered that the liver produces a substance that regulates your emotions. So despite what you've been led to believe, the organ that controls your feelings is your liver, not your heart. Take care of it with Hepalive supplement.
Don't go breaking my liver. A total eclipse of the liver. A total eclipse of